We are not the future of the country, we are the present of the country. My name is Rujuta Bankar. I am from Pune. While watching the movie Uri. So, in the theater I saw it. I was there and, there was a very big screen and everyone was very excited while watching Uri. But then what I wondered was, our Josh is very high inside the auditorium. And when we come out, then it's okay, usual things. Some people might think, okay, when I join the army, then, I'll do something for the country. But what about using this Josh very constructively right now? Dr. Kalam told us that, we are the future of the country. We can do something for our country, in 2020 to make India developed. But what I'm wondering is, we are not the future of the country, we are the present of the country. The time to do something is right now. It's not that we have to wait that after college I'll join the civil service, I'll join the army. But I feel like there's so much that you can do in college right now. And it's fortunate that you guys are studying at the MIT group of institutes, because I think there's a lot of focus on holistic learning at MIT. Yes, you're studying at MIT, so take advantage of everything that this college has to offer. Try to be your class representative, try to be a volunteer here, try to participate in as many things as you can. And the second thing is, being in Pune, there are so many volunteering opportunities. This city has think tanks and organizations working in everything from urban governance to environment to heritage conservation to education. And what I personally feel what UPSC is looking for, I don't think they're looking for bookworms, right? They're looking for leaders. They're looking for people who can solve problems. And if you want to create solutions, like in the movie Uri, who do you think was the hero? I don't think it was Vicky Kaushal. I think it was that guy, the intern, the small kid he's an intern and then he comes up with this wonderful innovation and he comes up with a drone. So that guy is the real hero of the movie, and that's what I feel you guys can be too. You can solve real life problems right now. So, and that's what I think this bureaucracy of our country needs. We need people who can solve problems real time, and for that you need to know what are the problems of this country. And you're not going to find out problems after you graduate from college. You can find them out right now. So go out to the field, try to, volunteer in rural areas. The Rural Immersion Program is such a great opportunity to find out what the problems are and come up with innovative solutions right now. And I think that is the way to go.